Estimating calculations. In this video, we will see how to estimate calculations using rounding skills. Estimating doesn't mean making a wild guess. It is a method of rough calculation that helps us get an answer closer to the real one. You will understand better with an example. Here, you need to estimate the value of 145.5 plus 37.6 divided by 54.4 times 4.5. The key thing in estimating is making the numbers easier to calculate. So, first round all the numbers in the question to one or two significant figures. To make the calculations easier, you can round again at later steps. We can round 145.5 to 150 and 37.6 to 40 in the numerator. Likewise, 54.4 can be rounded to 50 and 4.5 to 4 in the denominator. And the expression becomes 150 plus 40 divided by 50 times 4. 150 plus 40 equals 190 and 50 times 4 equals 200. You will get 190 over 200. On dividing both numerator and denominator by 10, it will be 19 over 20. 19 over 20 is approximately equal to 1. So, the estimated value of 145.5 plus 37.6 divided by 54.4 times 4.5 is 1. Let's see another example. Here, you need to estimate the value of 61 times 47 divided by 102. We can round 61 to 60 and 47 to 50 in the numerator. Likewise, 102 can be rounded to 100. And the expression becomes 60 times 50 divided by 100. 60 times 50 is 3000 and 3000 divided by 100 is 30. So, the estimated value of 61 times 47 divided by 102 is 30.